Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone of you are very well fit and fine by staying at home, following the instructions of the parents, also following the timetable. VST I'm talking about. I'm your computer teacher, and today I want to start a topic of browsing the internet. It is a chapter number 2, and here I'm sharing very special notes for you. Just go through it. Topic is browsing the internet, and the few important points I'm going to cover in this particular topic are as follows. First, I will cover what is internet, then I will cover uses of the internet, then we will see what is internet surfing, then the most important concept, www, called as World Wide Web or simply web. There are many components of www like web page, website, hyperlink, home page, URL, HTML, along with few important definitions we will cover in this particular session. Okay, so please be attentive. Now the first question is, what is internet? Internet is a network of networks. The full form of internet, you can say, it is international network. It is international network, a network which is spread all across the world. It has no geographical limitations. The computers are connected from all over the world. There are many networks. There are many networks. Suppose, for example, we can take a computers connected in a particular city, then computers connected in two adjacent cities, computer connected between two different states, two different countries, two different continents, and here the computers are connected throughout the globe. Okay, so internet is a network of networks which connect one computer or group of computers to another computers, or even connected to a group of computers to a particular medium that we will talk about later on. So the main objective of internet is to share the information and to share the resources. We will definitely see the objective, the uses later on, but here you must understand few of the basic terminologies that are dealing in this particular chapter. Very important terminologies. So out of this is internet. Internet is a network of networks. It is also called as international networks, in which one computer or a group of computers are connected to another computer, or even a group of other computers. Now, the next, uses of internet. The first use, internet provides endless information. Information about any topic, information about any subject, you can search on the internet, and users, that is you, which you are using the internet, which one is using the internet, maybe at any part of the world, can exchange the information, means can send the information or can receive the information from any other part of the world. Using internet, we can send the text messages. Using internet, we can chat with our friends, we can chat with our family members, those who are staying anywhere in the corner of the world, and this is also sometimes referred as social networking. Using internet, we can search for any specific topic, any specific subject, any specific information. Now, using internet, you can attend online classes, study circle, you can join any study circle, even you can attempt online examinations also. You can download documents, images, photograph, song, video, your favorite videos, your favorite songs, your favorite movies you can download using internet. Even you can upload your informative lectures videos and share with your nearest and dearest. You can book airplane ticket, you can book railway ticket, you can even book bus ticket. Even before you reach there, you can still book the hotel by sitting at home. Similarly, you can exchange, you can transfer the money to anywhere, to anyone, and anytime. So these are the commonly uses of the internet. Now let us see what is internet surfing. This means visiting the various websites while you are searching the information. Once you start searching the information, when once you start visiting the websites, different websites, you used to click on the hyperlinks. I will tell you the hyperlinks later on, but it is a special link. When once you click on that particular link, it will carry you through another web page. It will show you some another information. So you are keep watching on the information again and again, very new information you are watching again and again. And this is called as internet surfing. So visiting the websites, various web pages are called as internet surfing or internet browsing. Now, there is one very important concept given in this particular chapter, which is called as www. The long form of www is World Wide Web, or simply you can say web. In web, it has many computers connected together, and it provides access to any information using the internet. www or World Wide Web is a combination of all resources and users on the internet. It is a system which is coordinating several components for the smooth conduction of every activity on the internet, like sharing of information and sharing of resources. There are many components of the World Wide Web used to monitor and used to coordinate each other in order to send the information and receive the information. The major components are web page, website, hyperlink, home page, URL, and HTML. We will see this one by one. The first is web page. The web page is nothing but it is a hypertext document on World Wide Web. You can compare the web page with your normal textbook page. Like in your textbook, a page is having textual information or sometimes images, colorful photographs, black and white images, colorful photographs, all these things. Similarly, a web page is also a page where textual information is there, images are there, photographs are there, audio, video, all these multimedia components are there. Such a web pages, more than one web page, is when interlinked to each other, connected to each other, it forms a website. So website is a collection of web pages which are interlinked with each other, which are connected with each other using hyperlink. Hyperlink uses hypertext. It is a special text displayed in a blue colored, darker format, bold format, which once clicked show another page of information, which will carry you to another set of information, and it is called as hyperlink. You can easily see once you started moving your mouse pointer on the web page, when you point the hyperlink, your mouse pointer, arrow pointer will immediately get changed into a handheld structure like this. So it is called a hyperlink. Once you click on it, it will carry you, it will show you another information which is on the another web page. So these web pages are internally connected with the means of hyperlinks. Now the home page. Whenever you open a website, the first page that appears on the screen is called as home page. The first page which appears in front of you when you start using web browser, and when you enter any web address of website, press you enter key and the web page started appearing in front of your display. The first page which appears in front of you is called as home page. This home page is further linked to all other pages on that particular website. Now URL is most important term. The full form of URL is uniform. U stands for uniform, R stands for resource, L stands for locator. Uniform resource locator. It is also called as address of the website or web address. To view any particular web page, to view a particular website, first you need to type its address in the web browser, in the address area. For example, if you want to Google something, if you want to go for the Google is the search engine, suppose. We will again cover this search engine topic later on, but just try to understand. Suppose if you want to visit Google website, so what you will do, in the address bar of the web browser you will simply type www.google.com and you will press the enter key. So this www.google.com is nothing but the address. It is called as URL of the website. Similarly, www.youtube.com, www.cbse.com, cbse.nic.in, these are the popular websites and these are the popular URL we use to search for the information. Now, another important point is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. It is a language used to create web pages. You can say it is a programming language. It is not altogether a programming language, but still a language which is required to create a web page. Definitely you are going to study HTML in details in your higher classes. Okay. And along with this, I want to also focus on some of the important terms used with the concept of internet. Web browser. Web browser is nothing but it is an application program or a software which is installed in your computer and which enables you to access information on the internet. There are many web browsers, popular web browsers. One of the most popular web browser is Google Chrome. Few another examples of web browsers are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini. These are the web browsers. These are the programs, application programs. You have to install them into your computer and you are using this program to browse, to visit the website. Once you double click on the web browser, it will open in front of you. Then you will type the address of the website into the address bar, or which is always located at the top. When you hit the enter key, that particular website is connected and you can browse the information through web browser. Okay. Now, IP address, also very important term associated with internet terminology. Each computer is uniquely identified by a particular number when it is used through the internet. Every computer, each and every computer is identified by the particular number, and these numbers are separated by dots like 127.0.0.1, like that, or you can see on the screen 255.248.0.1, etc. These are called as IP address. All the electronic devices normally nowadays can be identified by their unique IP address. The IP address is not repeated. Okay. So again, one important term is there, internet service provider, also called as ISP. It is a company which provides you access to the internet by charging some fees in terms of money, rupees. You can have monthly or yearly plans in the subscription. For example, many internet service providers are there like Idea, Vodafone, Jio, BSNL, Airtel, etc. So you need to first contact to the ISP, and you will have highly configured computer with you, a modem with you, and internet connection which is given by your ISP. So these are few important topics. I hope there are many topics further which are very important in this particular chapter. I want to suggest you here, please do one thing, practically do one thing at home. Just try to open any web browser which is installed in your computer at home, and just visit that browser, write down the major components of the browser. For example, um, if you open a web browser, address bar is there where you can type URL address of the website. New tab control button is there, history option is there, bookmark option is there, back, forward, reload, stop buttons are there. These are the very important uh, components of the your web browser window, which is also called as web browser interface. Okay, so web browser allows us to view web pages on the world wide web, that is www. The first page of the website, any website which appears on the web browser, is called as home page. Now the bookmark option is also important. The bookmark option of the web browser is used to store, display, and organize the most frequently visited website. Whereas history option in the web browser helps you to view all the websites that you have visited in the past few weeks or few days ago. So with this, I want to just wind up everything. I hope you understood all of these concepts which I explained here. Please start attempting the worksheets given in the Between Us portal. Also, please try to solve the exercise which is at the end of this particular chapter. Okay, see you very soon. We are really missing you. All the best. Thank you so much.